Hi guys, Colin Pelt here, and welcome once again to my YouTube channel. Okay, my full-size mini disc recorder player decided not to eject the mini disc, but when you push the eject you could hear like a squeaking and the disc wouldn't come out at all. So they're quite old, these mini disc players. It was a thing back in its day, but anyway, superb quality, and I still use it, and I still use a Sony mini disc Walkman as well for when I go out recording sounds. Anyway, there it is. There's the belt and the pulleys, and that's of course inside the mini disc carriage, the deck itself, and there is my mini disc, or mini disc. Yeah, so what a job, eh? I don't really fancy stripping the whole carriage apart just to get that belt. So anyway, look at the size of that. It's tiny, but they you can still get them for this model of mini disc. So luckily I've got one, and all I've got to do is put it in there. So I'm going to try a pair of tweezers, see if I can hook that off and hook the new one on. I can't show it to you while I'm trying to do it on the camera, I'll just do it. But yeah, pair of I was going to say pliers in, but pliers won't even go through that hole. Pair of tweezers, and I'll see if I can hook the old belt off. I'll be right back when I've done it. Right, I'm in there with a pair of tweezers, and as you can see I've actually got the belt, so I'm just going to take it around the top like so, and there it is. Wow, that came out easier than I thought actually. So there's the old one, and now we're going to compare it to the new one. Well, as you can see, the one I've just taken out is a little bit bigger than the new one, so that's quite badly stretched, and you can actually feel, if you just put it over your fingers, and you can feel it's not really, hasn't really got much elasticity in it, so it's had it. So I'm going to do the same thing in reverse to see if I can get this new belt on. Right, let's see what happens. Well, how about that then? I actually got the belt on. That's great. So I didn't have to take all this like deck apart. Okay. So what we'll do now then is we'll put the whole thing, well, we'll put the deck back together at least. So let's lift that up. Sorry if you didn't quite see that. So I've got the deck, and then I'm just going to line it up on its mounting holes, like that. There we go. So we got 4 of these little puppies to go in. So put one down over here. Screwdriver, what have I done with it? There it is. I'm not going to do it up too tight because I want to get the others in as well. So just slacken it off a little bit and go around this side, line it up like so, pop a screw in there, see, so good, put him in. him up. Actually, it's not been as bad a job as I thought it would be. I had visions of taking the whole deck itself apart just to put one little epoxy belt on. I remember back in the cassette days, cassette decks, before the direct drive ones came out, to replace a belt, oh, you had to take the whole thing apart. It was a nightmare. Go to the other side of that. There we go. And this one I can tighten up because the others are in place. 1, 2, 3. Elastic 4. And then we've got a little cable here. He's got to go on onto the chassis. So I'll try and there we go. Perfect. That's it. So hopefully it should work. So I've got to find a plug. Plug it in. Switch on. Right, no discs, that's good because I've got it in my hand here. Oh, good old mini disc, eh? Right, so here we go. It's in. Yeah, great. Right, now where's the eject button? There is the eject button. Let's see if it ejects. Oh, yeah. Yes, it works. No squeaking, no, well, you know, like a demented cat, like it was doing because the old belt was stretched. Ready? Here we go. Perfect. Yeah. Okay. Now I don't know what I've done with the old belt. Oh, there it is. So yeah, there you go. It wasn't actually broken, it's just badly stretched. Had it. I mean, crikey, how old are these decks now? Over 25 years? Well over, I would say. And that belt has done more than 25 years. Correct me if I'm wrong in the description, but I'm pretty sure many disc players' decks like this are over 25 years old. Right, okay. So I'm going to put that into my kidney tray. Don't know why. And what I'll do is I will have a look on my eBay, and I will link. I'll put a link in the description to the place where I got this belt from. I don't know whether this is an invoice or just a bit of paper he wraps it up in. No, it's just a bit of paper he wrapped the belt up in. But I'll do that for you. I will put a link in the description to where I got the belt. So if you've got a mini disc player that had this same fault, then this video might be of some use to you. So that's all you've got to take apart, really, guys. You can leave these ribbon cables intact. All you've got to do is just remove this wire, which is on a clip. Dead simple. 4 screws. You can't over tighten them because I mean, don't launch them, but they go down to their own stop, and it's just a bit of suspension. They're on rubber mounts. Lift that out, tweezer in the aperture. If you're careful, just slide the old belt off, put the new one on. It's great. So all I've got to do now is I've got to put this lid back on. That's straightforward. I mean, I don't have to show you guys how to do that. But that's it. So I'll put it all back together and then put all my other gear back together, because it sort of sat there, and I had that amp on top of it, and I had a cassette deck on top of that. So I've got to plug my optical cables back in and what have you. But yeah, short video on how to put a new belt in a mini disc deck MDS-JB940. Camera will focus. There we go. Do it this way. There you go. There you go. Right. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe. And take care. Be safe. And I'll catch you later. Thanks for watching. I just thought I'd pop back to show you the tweezers I used. I got these off of eBay. There's loads of different tweezers, but I thought these were extra handy because they push them open and they stay shut by themselves with a bit of pressure. So you can grab something and you know, manipulate it how you like. Right, that's it. Cheers. Oh, hey, I'm back again. I just thought I'd show you guys what the mini disc looks like in my setup. Very nice. I've got to try it again because it's been such a long time since you know, I haven't been able to eject a disc. So go to eject and ta-da! Excellent. Right, that is definitely it now. Put everything back together. Got the husky and the cat watching down on me while I'm playing. And there you go. My mini disc fixed. Right, catch you later. Cheers, bye.